Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to solve the quadratic equation with the help of quadratic formula. Our task is to find the solutions of a quadratic equation. What is a quadratic equation? The standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This one is the standard form of the quadratic equation. The first method we learned about the solution of quadratic equation is the middle term breaking. Factorization with the help of middle term breaking. The second method we came to know was the complete square method. And the third method which we'll discuss today is the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now what is a? A is the coefficient of x square. B is the coefficient of x. And c is without x. Now I will solve question number 3. Question number 3 is 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. We will compare this one with ax square plus bx plus c and write down the values of a, b and c. Here With the help of comparison, the coefficient of x square is 2, so a is equal to 2. The coefficient of x is 5, so b is equal to 5. And the coefficient of x without the term without x is minus 3, so c is equal to minus 3. Is there any confusion?
No.
Now we will write down the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now we will place the values of a, b and c. B is 5 minus 5. Minus is the from the formula and the value of b is positive 5. Plus minus under the root 5 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is minus 3 over 2 into 2. Now we will simplify this expression. Minus 5 plus minus under the root 25 plus 24 divided by 4. X is equal to minus 5 plus minus 49 divided by 4. X is equal to minus 5 plus minus 7 over 4. X is equal to minus 5 plus 7 over 4. And x is equal to minus 5 minus 7 over 4. X is equal to 2 over 4. X is equal to minus 12 over 4. And the final answers are x is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to minus 3. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
First of all, we will identify the values of a and b, a, b and c. Then we will write down the formula and put the values of a, b and c into the quadratic formula. And after simplification, we will write with plus and we will separate the plus and minus sign and find the values of x. Question number 7. The equation is 3x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. First of all, we will compare this one with the standard quadratic equation and find the values of a, b and c. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to, what's the coefficient of x in this equation?
1.
1 and c is equal to minus 2. Now we will write down the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now I will put the values of a, b and c into the given equation. Minus from the formula 1 the value of b plus minus 1 square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is minus 2. Divided by 2 into 3. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 24 over 6. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 25 over 6. Now x is equal to -1 plus -5 over 6. X is equal to -1 plus 5 over 6. And x is equal to -1 minus 5 over 6. X is equal to 4 by 6 and x is equal to -6 over 6. X is equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to -1 are the solutions of this quadratic equation with the help of quadratic formula. Is there any confusion in this solution?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I will attempt question number 10. Question number 10 is x square minus 6x minus 16 is equal to 0. I will compare this one with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The values of a, b and c are a is equal to 1, b is equal to -6 and c is equal to -16. Now I will write down the formula, quadratic formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. I will put the values of a, b and c into the equation. Minus from the formula and the value of b is -6. Plus minus under the root -6 square minus 4 into 1 into 16 divided by 2 into 1. X is equal to minus minus plus 6 plus minus under the root 36. This one is -16. 36 plus 64 over 2. X is equal to 6 plus minus 100 over 2. X is equal to 6 plus minus 10 over 2. X is equal to 6 plus 10 over 2. And x is equal to 6 minus 10 over 2. Six plus 10, 16 over 2. X is equal to -4 over 2. X is equal to 8 and x is equal to -2 are the solutions of this quadratic equation with the help of quadratic formula. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
You should be very careful when b is negative. The common mistake done by the students is they do not use this negative sign of the formula. This negative sign. ये आपने use करना है.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you solve one more question?
Yes, now I will solve question number 16.
Sir, can you solve question?
Question number 16 is 4x square is equal to 5x minus 21. First of all, we will convert this equation into standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So I will shift the terms on the right hand side on the left hand side. Minus 5x plus 21 is equal to 0. Now I will compare this one with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here, after comparison, we came to know that a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 5, and c is equal to 21. Now I will write down the quadratic formula, that is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. I will put the values of a and b, a, b and c into the formula and simplify. Minus from the formula, value of b is minus 5 plus minus under the root b square minus 4 into a is 4 and c is 21 over 2 into 4. X is equal to 5 plus minus 25 minus 16 into 21.
336, 336.
336 over 8. X is equal to 5 plus minus 336 minus 25.
311.
Negative 311. Can you see a negative sign in the under root?
Sir, what?
Can you see a negative sign in the under root inside the square root?
Yes.
Can we find the value of a negative square root of a negative number?
No.
So we will
Complicated.
terminate the question and we will write down complex roots. Okay.
Okay.
Now I will solve question number 22. Four x, 3x minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 2 bracket open 2x minus 1, 5x plus 1. First of all, I will multiply the expressions. I will expand the expressions to convert this equation into the standard quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c. 12x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 2. 10x square plus 2x minus 5x minus 1. 12x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 2. 10x square minus 3x minus 1. 12x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 20x square minus 6x minus 2. We will shift all the terms on the right hand side. 20x square minus 6x minus 2 minus 12x square plus 4x plus 2. 2x square and minus 12x square minus 10x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 2x minus 2 and plus 2 equal to 0. What's the first step of the factorization?
Writing down the equation.
No. Mm,
X
the first
square
step
plus
of the first step of the factorization is, if there is anything common between all the terms, take common. We will not apply factorization in this question because we want to find the solution with the help of quadratic formula. Now, can we divide all the numbers with -2?
yes.
When we will divide 0 with -2 on the left hand side, it will become 0. When we will divide minus 10x square with -2, it will become positive 5x square, and the next term will be positive x. Now, I will compare this one with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
Sir, isn't it minus 5?
No, because I have divided with -2, not positive 2. Dividing all the term with -2. आपको याद होगा कि जब फैक्टराइजेशन के इन द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ फैक्टराइजेशन व्हेन द फर्स्ट टर्म वाज नेगेटिव एंड यू मेड अ मिस्टेक इन breaking the middle term, then I advise you to multiply all the terms with a plus sign so that the first term is positive and it will be easy for you to break the middle term. Can you recall? याद आया
Yes.
बेटा? पी वाला क्वेश्चन था जिसमें आपने ये गलती की थी. मेरे ख्याल आपको नहीं याद आया, कोई बात नहीं, इसको दोबारा जो है वो कर लें, मेमोराइज कर लें जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. टर्म्स को पॉजिटिव कर लेते हैं फर्स्ट टर्म को, उससे हमारा क्वेश्चन आसान हो जाता है. फिर बोलूं? Should I repeat? I will write down the formula. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now I will put the values of a, b and c into the quadratic formula. Minus from the formula, the value of b is 1 plus minus under the root 1 square minus 4 into 5 into 0. So divided by 2 into 5. X is equal to -1 plus minus 1 minus 0 over 10. X is equal to -1 plus minus under root 1 over 10. X is equal to -1 plus minus 1 over 10. X is equal to -1 plus 1 over 10. X is equal to -1 minus 1 over 10. X is equal to 0 over 10. X is equal to 0. X is equal to -2 over 10. X is equal to -1 over 5. These are the answers to the question number 22 with the help of quadratic formula. Here we can solve this question with the help of factorization too. You can see that x is the first step of the factorization is, if there is something common between all the terms, then we will take common. We can see that x is common in both the terms. So I will take common x. 5x plus 1 is inside the brackets. Now we will apply the zero product rule. We have two factors x and 5x plus 1. We will put both the factors equal to 0 by using zero product rule. X is equal to 0 or 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. X is equal to 5x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 over 5. So these are the solutions. We can also find the solutions with the help of factorization method in this one. I just want to recall the first step of factorization, that if there is anything common between all the terms, then we will take common. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.